Get into the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado. The all-new Silverado builds on its heritage with an improved bed design, increased cargo capacity, customizable technology, refined comfort and safety features, and even bolder strength. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: V8 engine, backup camera, four-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, running boards, side steps, stability control, traction control, split bench seat, diesel. Bigger isn't always better, unless you're talking about power and cargo capacity. Don't miss the chance to test drive the all-new Silverado.